Good afternoon, everyone. Now we are crossing Irang Bridge for the first time. So the Bailey Bridge at Irang West was swept away because of heavy rain, and today we are crossing Irang Bridge with heavy loads for the first time. And Indian Army has been guarding this new bridge. Yengbiriba mami si Irang thong dagi heavy vehicle lalak koi mami ni akoi sigi load sina ahanba load ni Irang lali se ahanba thong ni thong se ado honorable kaya ko Chief Minister Manipur na sangadriba Manipur ki sangadriba thong se miyam ki damak hai tare pot chai lan bada kaya ni ko problem oidana ba jigi lom le leiba amadi Imphal dagi lakpa gari miyam lan na ba adugumba lan ba hokjare hai batare akoina ayana na la le Irang se aje akoina la le bisi train dagi porakhiba pot mayam do adugi gari sing duni adugi convoy du akoina puraga Irang dagi hojik pass tawraga none tamna tholokpa hore guard tobiri na Indian Army ni su leire phong sin nauri ni na join je ka tam na lalan baiwan ada laiba gari sing se akoi convoy sina ihan an mane Irang lali se Thogalo adum tam thogala mo bus ka aduna thank you so much for the good bridge.